Hey everybody, this is something I wanted to try out for at least, so for those who don't know, this is my first time doing a channel. Each, maybe once a month, I'll probably upload it on it. A variety of topics, whether it's sports, music, gaming, and then maybe how I'll do like a breakdown of favorite players of all time when it comes to sports, albums I listen to, break that down, movies I watched, gaming I watched. So I kind of want to do this in the sense of I want to have some fun with this type of in the channel, and then also wanted to give it a try in the sense of I've always been in the sense like very comfortable talking about certain topics, but not in front of a screen. So therefore, I kind of want to give a breakdown of everything of what I do. For those who don't know, welcome to my channel. This is something that's new for me, and so I just graduated with my master's in social work. So eventually, I'm hoping this channel will continue to grow for me in a sense of and me enjoying it, and also breaking down content and anything that I want to talk about. Specifically, each week or each month, I will update a video and then have a discussion about it. I'll have the comments open. Be mindful, be respectful as well, of course. As you can see, I'm wearing a Silent Planet t-shirt, so maybe one of the albums I will probably break down is one of the Silent Planet albums just to get my feet wet. Um, but I just want to say, hopefully you guys enjoy my content, and you hear me maybe about once a month, and I'll keep posting um, for the next topic, the video before. I hope to hear from everybody, and see y'all soon. Take care. Bye.